Wix Studio is a powerful platform for building and managing professional websites with advanced design capabilities and custom features. Here's a quick guide to using Wix Studio. Getting started. Sign up or log in. Go to Wix Studio and create an account or login. Create a new project. Click Create New Site and choose a template or start from scratch. Navigating the Wix Studio editor. Pages and menu. Manage and organize site pages. Add, rename, hide or delete pages. Design tools. Use drag and drop functionality to add text, images, videos, forms and more. Responsive design. Customize layouts for desktop, tablet and mobile views. Layers panel. Manage content layers to organize and control visibility. Customizing your site. Themes and styles. Adjust global design settings like fonts, colors and buttons. Animation and interactions. Add dynamic animations and scroll effects. Apps and integrations. Use Wix apps to expand functionality. Publishing and managing your site. Preview and test. Check your site on different devices. Publish. Click Publish to make your site live. SEO tools. Optimize content for search engines using built-in SEO features.